Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're making a tropical bone broth protein smoothie with just 5 organic ingredients. I'm using my secret ingredient of kettle and fire bone broth to give this smoothie some added protein with no weird stuff. It's quick and easy. Let me show you guys how to make it. So we only need a few simple ingredients to make this tropical bone broth protein smoothie. And now this smoothie has 6 grams of protein. That's as much as some granola or protein bars. And all we're using to get that protein is bone broth and coconut milk. So we're also going to need some frozen pineapple, frozen mango, and frozen strawberries. So now we're just gonna add all ingredients into the blender. So first we're gonna add in 1 cup of frozen pineapple, then half a cup of frozen mango, and half a cup of frozen strawberries. Next we're gonna add half a cup of coconut milk. And then my secret ingredient, bone broth. And we're gonna add 1/4 cup of bone broth. Now we're just gonna blend on high until everything is combined and you have a delicious creamy smoothie. If you like a really thick smoothie like I do, be sure to use a blender tamper and don't add in any more liquid unless it's completely necessary. And who knew you guys could put bone broth in a tropical fruit smoothie and you won't even taste it? If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you want more creative ways to use bone broth, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.